executive producer of the show that we will be seeing soon, and a board member of the International Center for the 9/11 Justice. He's also very active in the local group that is part of the California Alliance of Truth. She met Graeme through their work together with Transcend International, a peace development network founded by the peace researcher Johan Galtung. And she has kept the struggle and kept the commitment, and we're very proud to have her with us here. Marilyn.
Wow, good evening everyone. What a sea of beautiful faces out there. I'm so honored to be here with you tonight in Graeme's hometown for the world premiere of this film. As Atif mentioned, Graeme was a member of the Transcend International Network for Peaceful Conflict Transformation, founded by the Norwegian peace researcher and mediator Johan Galtung. And it was through this network that I first met him about 11 years ago, learning at that time that Graeme had already been very engaged in peace-building activities all over the world, including in Sri Lanka, in Yugoslavia, in Gaza, Afghanistan, and more. So in later years, I mostly interacted with Graeme about his very incisive 9/11 research, but it was his commitment to peace on both a political and spiritual level that I always found particularly inspiring. I want to say a couple words about a book that Graeme co-authored along with Johan Galtung in 2009, entitled Globalizing God, Religion, Spirituality, and Peace, in which it looks at all of the major religions of the world, identifying those aspects and features of each that have been and can still be used to promote peace. In it, Graeme also goes into his own concept of spirituality, which he sees as a force that is deep, reflective, and self-reflective, beyond body and mind, and transcending both our individual and our collective selves. And in it, he also elaborates on 8 crucial aspects of peace spirituality, namely moral vision, moral grounding. You can see if I can remember that. Moral grounding, vision, critique, resistance, nonviolence, conflict resolution and transformation, reconciliation, and building a tradition of peace spirituality. So this is our challenge. Critique is what we do when we examine the story of 9/11, and that's very important. But all 8 of these aspects must be engaged in and addressed in order to achieve lasting peace. So let us carry on where Graeme left off and be inspired by his courage, his generosity, his love of humanity. I feel Graeme's presence is here with us tonight, and I'm so grateful that I had the opportunity to meet him in person while he was still walking on this earth. I hope you enjoy this film.